Welcome. This is a quick guide on how to become a Jumia vendor. Here is a step-to-step process. What you do is you open your browser and navigate to vendorcenter.jumia.com vendorcenter.jumia.com and click on register. So you fill out your business information, you upload your KYC verification documents like your valid government ID or CAC business registration documents along with your bank account details for receiving payouts. So you have to complete mandatory seller training. That means you access the online Jumia Academy module to learn basic platform policies, packaging rules and other fulfillment guidelines. After then, you activate your account and set up a profile. Once Jumia verifies your documents, log into your vendor center dashboard to set up your store profile and return policies. Then you need to list your products. You upload high quality images, detailed descriptions, category placement and pricing for your inventory. Then you need to fulfill your orders. When a customer orders, package the item according to Jumia's guideline and drop it off at the nearest Jumia hub for shipping. Thank you for listening and the best of luck with your online store. Goodbye.